Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to biggest breaking news. If you are from 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 batch, finally CDAC India announced the mass hiring opportunity for 300 plus open position. Share this video with your friends, colleagues, family members who are looking for the job, and it is a great opportunity to start your career. Project engineer and associate roles and many roles are there, tech and non-tech, salary up to 22 LPA are there. Like and share the video, it will hardly take 1 to 2 seconds. And one thing, we are really putting lot of efforts for all of you, so you guys will get best job in top company as soon as possible. I see many of you are watching the video, thank you so much for support but not liking, so just hit the like button. And one thing, I am sharing you the 100 per plus resume template that is ATS friendly, and 247 candidates already check out this, so you guys also check. And this is, we are just taking the platform charges, but it is definitely good for all of you, and this resume will be shortlisted in many of the company. Now CDAC India announced the biggest opportunity. I will show you the exact thing where are the number of open positions are mentioned. So project associate 100 number of position. Okay, upper age limit is, if you are fresher up to 30 years you are also eligible. BE, btech, ME, MTech or postgraduate degree in science computer application, means you are from MCA, MSc, BSc, you are also eligible. Minimum CTC is 3.6 up to 5.04 LPA. Candidate with high experience within the given bracket will be offered high salary as per policy. Project engineer 100 roles are there. BE, btech, postgraduate degree, ME, MTech is eligible. 4.49 to up to 7.1 LPA and 0 to 4 year of experience is required, means 26, 25, 24, 23, 22 one batch is eligible for opportunity. Senior project engineer, they want required 4 to 7 year of experience and up to 14 LPA, and they want project manager, program manager 9 to 15 years up to 22 LPA salary is there. Okay, one thing, the commencement of date is today itself, June 1 2026, and the last date is June 20, and interview date is, they will be communicated to your email only. How to apply for opportunity? Basically I am giving you this link, is in the description. You can check related to location: Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mohali, Mumbai, Noida, Pune, Thiruvananthapuram, center in northeast sign. So you can apply according to your location. Suppose if I choose the like Bangalore here, so project associate, hardware, software, critical infrastructure, cryptography, IA, quantum computing, trust, VLSI, me, project manager, multiple roles are there. How you can apply? You can click on, suppose you want to apply for software opportunity, you will see this view details and you can click on apply now button. So they will ask your email address, mobile number, and you have to select get OTP. It's a great opportunity for all of you guys. Multiple roles are there. Okay, you have to basically check which role is related to you. Okay, means role is related to project associate. Where is the project engineer? Here is the project engineer. Number of open positions are 50. Must apply for opportunity. Multiple roles are there guys, and share this video as much as you can, so we will definitely make the video that is related to test and update pattern. Thanks for watching the video.